In this video, we share how to replace the spark plugs and ignition coils on a base model VR6 Cayenne. This can help clear up misfires and stutters and is a typical maintenance item. VR6 base model, they're all right here on the top. The trickiest thing is getting a right angle flathead screwdriver or pickup, pick these connectors back and actually disconnect them. I'm going to use a paint can opener because it has a nice little bend to it. You can get one for free at Home Depot or Lowe's. There we go. So if you have 5 of 6 disconnected, then you notice that one of them is previously broken. The tab is missing to pull on it. Kind of see there. Here's what a normal connector looks like. Pull up on the tab, and that connector has no tab. Basically, they operate having a little thing that just goes over this pimple here. So if you bend this plastic up using a small sharp screwdriver, you can get it under this broken connector side here. There we go. This connector has seen better days. If you've worked on a Boxster Cayenne before, you'll notice there's no Torx surrounding the ignition coils. That's because here's how you remove them. Oily. Interesting. I know if we have 2 needle nose pliers, we can yank up on the sides. And it's at an angle. Important detail. Like so, without the pliers damaging these connectors here. You can grip it like one big plier. Custom tool. Next, you'll need a spark plug remover tool. That's a 16mm special magnetic socket, 16mm. And the spark plug goes into this thing. So it's magnetic, the spark plug goes in, and then make sure it fits on the new sparks. Here's what the new ones look like, pack of 6. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Some are angled this way, some are angled that way. Pay attention to that. But otherwise, we just make sure it's firmly seated like so. It's a bit of effort. And lo and behold, our old spark plug. And look at that, covered in oil. Even though these don't really have bore scoring issues, I bought this bore scope camera that we can use purely out of curiosity and for fun. We can stick it inside of the cylinder and see what's going on there. There we go. First time bore scoping something. We can look at that. Looks pretty okay. Look at the cylinder walls, nothing too bad. We can bore scope our Cayenne, cool. So we see all that oil there, somehow making its way in. Interesting. Insert it into our cylinder. I would rather take out a spark plug and immediately put a new one in, and then go down the line and take it out and put it in, take it out and put it in, rather than leave them all open, not give debris time to fall in. Torque the new ones to 22 foot-pounds. Careful not to over torque it, because that can damage your engine. And the lighter the torque, the lighter the click. There we go, clicked. Very easy. To that, we simply reinsert the ignition coil, making sure that the orientation of the connectors matches up, making sure the locking side matches up here. Make sure to firmly seat it. Shear soft. Like so. Snap on the connector. And we're done. At this point, we do the other 5 spark plugs one at a time. So here I'm just loosening, cracking all 5 of them loose, but not entirely removing. I go a bit out of order, so next I actually remove the one in the rear because it was the harder to reach. And in certain cases, you see me using a tiny step stool and actually climbing a little on the front bumper to reach it. But it's the same procedure, so you remove the spark plug, replace the spark plug, insert the new one, torque it down to 22 foot-pounds, and broken ignition coil connectors aside, hard to reach angles aside, the rest of the procedure is the same. Congratulate yourself on a job well done. Let's go ahead and start her up with the hood still open to make sure there are no misfires. And in case there are, it's always good to have a diagnostic scan tool handy because we'll be able to plug it in later. You see exactly which cylinder it is that's misfiring. Nice. Feels very nice actually. There's none of that stuttering on the startup. Good job. Take it for a drive just to make sure the RPMs, it might not misfire here. Could misfire somewhere here. So make sure to, I guess begrudgingly, put her in sport mode. Give her a hearty drive. Make sure it doesn't misfire at any of the RPMs. Scan if there are any misfires on any of the cylinders to see which cylinder needs more attention.